Hello clever cubs, welcome to our math class. In this class, I'm gonna teach you numbers with their names. But first, don't forget to subscribe. This is number 1, O-N-E, 1. O-N-E, 1. 2, T-W-O, 2. T-W-O, 2. 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. 4, F-O-U-R, 4. F-O-U-R, 4. 5, F-I-V-E, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. 6, S-I-X, 6. S-I-X, 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. 9, N-I-N-E, 9. N-I-N-E, 9. 10, 10, T-E-N, 10. T-E-N, 10. Watch this video again and again to learn them perfectly. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.